So if you want to learn how to create a Rakuten account in 2026, yeah, this is the full beginner-friendly guide to get you started and start earning cash back quickly. First, open Rakuten on your browser or download the Rakuten app from the App Store or Play Store. Next, click Sign Up. You'll see options to create an account using email, Google, or Facebook. Now enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure everything is correct. Next, check your email inbox and click the verification link from Rakuten to activate your account. Now set up your payment method so you can receive cashback rewards, usually PayPal or bank transfer. Next, install the Rakuten browser extension or use the app so you can automatically earn cashback while shopping. Now search for stores inside Rakuten and start shopping normally. Cashback will track automatically. Before purchasing, always click Activate Cashback so your purchase gets tracked properly. And that's it. That's how you create a Rakuten account step by step in 2026.